It's the first official day of summer, and as we all try to beat the heat, one of the most common places where safety is needed is construction sites. KOAM's Jalen Banks catches up with some workers to see how they stay safe.
According to the CDC, more than 600 heat-related deaths happen in the U.S. a year, and the three most common places these happen are homes without AC, cars, and construction work sites.
The RFB construction team is finding ways to combat the heat to ensure their safety.
When it's really hot like this, and especially when we're pouring concrete, we'll do some early pours. Like maybe we'll start at 5 instead of starting at like an 8 a.m. pour. And we'll quit early. Maybe we'll quit at like 2 p.m. instead of 6 p.m. or 7 p.m.
The crew also combats the heat by wearing sunscreen, sunglasses, brimmed hats to cover their face, and thinner long sleeve shirts.
A lot of people be asking us, why you guys wear long sleeves? You know, we wear long sleeves because, I mean, when you're working out here on the heat, you sweat. And if you get a little cold breeze, that'll cool you down. So that's one of the reasons why we wear the long sleeve shirts. You know, because we get that, we get asked that a lot.
The workers know that hydration and nutrition is something that does not start the day of, but the day before.
You gotta make sure you eat good, very good, you know, get good sleep at night. Try to drink plenty of water, you know, just to be good the next day.
In Pittsburgh, at the RFB construction site, Jalen Banks, KOAM News.
For more information on how to stay safe in the heat, go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.